How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be doing a full beginner's guide on how to integrate Printify over to your Shopify store. So it's an application and a plugin that you can add to your store to incorporate that print-on-demand format or business model. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's start off by first talking about what exactly Printify is to give you guys a bit of insight on how their business model operates. So to give you guys a quick overview, as a lot of people know, Printify is a print-on-demand platform that connects businesses with a network of printing partners all around the world. So the beauty of Printify lies in its simplicity and flexibility. It empowers entrepreneurs to create and self-custom designed products without the hassle of managing inventory or production. So simply put, it's one of the top solutions for turning creative ideas into actual tangible products. So the TLDR for this is you slap on a design onto a t-shirt using their website engine, and they turn it into an actual t-shirt and a product. So you can make as many copies and add it to your Shopify store and whatnot. So how exactly does it work? So it's quite straightforward. Users select from a wide range of products available on their platform, being Printify, from apparel, home decor items, mugs, keychains, whatever, hats, and they basically upload their designs or artwork onto the selected product formats onto Printify's design interface. So you basically just slap on the design onto the product of your choice. So it's actually pretty cool. So Printify's backbone lies in its printing partners. So Printify collaborates with a global network of printing facilities, ensuring that orders are fulfilled efficiently and to the highest quality standard. So it's pretty cool. Now let's actually talk about how you can add Printify over to Shopify. So the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to log into Shopify as an administrator, like where I'm at right now, and you guys want to navigate around the dashboard and look for the option that says Add Apps. So it's this one right here, as you can see. So you want to click on Add Apps, and right away, if you don't see your option here, okay, so here it is. Printify is right here. It's a very popular plugin for Shopify, so it's recommended as a top pick. But if you guys can't seem to find it, I'll show you the other way to do it. So you guys want to click on Shopify App Store, like so, and it'll redirect you to the page that'll show you a bunch of tools and plugins that are compatible with Shopify. So if you can't see it here right away, what you can do is type down Printify, like so, and it should show up. So here it is. So it'll take you to their store page, as well as the details that you guys need to know for their pricing plans. So as you can see here, the free to install one gives you connection and integrations to 5 online stores with access to unlimited number of product designs, a mockup generator, manual order creation, and a 24/7 merchant support. So you got customer service, you got the interface for designing, you got a mockup generator, manual order creation for the checkout page, and whatnot. Now, if you guys decide to go for the paid route, as you can see here, so it'll set you back $29 a month. You'll get access to more of their features, as well as 10 online stores instead of 5, 20% discount on all of their products as opposed to nothing, and an additional 14% off with a yearly plan. So that's pretty cool. So to actually integrate this into our Shopify store is quite simple. All you guys have to do is hit install, like so, and this will redirect you to the page. I believe it'll be Printify. Yep. So we just have to log in here. Just actually wait for it to load. Here we are. So all we have to do is basically authenticate it or give Printify permission to integrate with Shopify. So we're going to click on install, like so. So let's actually wait for it to load. So what's happening here is Shopify is working its magic and installing Printify over to our Shopify store. So here it is. Basically just log in with your Printify account. And normally it'd take you through a whole sign up process on how you guys want to fine tailor the design of your store. So it will ask you a question, what describes you best, and you basically just choose the option that fits your description the most. So if you guys are looking to sell products online, then obviously pick the I have my own e-commerce store, or if you're a franchisor or you're a middleman looking to make a commission with a store online, then you can do I represent a nonprofit organization, or I represent a company. Either way is fine. Or I'm a social media influencer if you're looking to promote or boost the sales on a certain product. So in this case, let's do I have my own e-commerce store. Basically, just answer the questions, what the main objective is. So order merchandise, start my first online business, pricing. So you basically just want to get through this entire setup. So what would you like help with? I guess designing products in this case. Let's do Shopify, obviously, and we should be good to go. So here's what the interface looks like for the Printify app on Shopify. So if you guys want to make a design or something, you could look for a blank canvas. So in this case, let's do a mug. Actually, what's the most basic one? I guess I could do a t-shirt. Let's do a random t-shirt. Okay, this one. Let's do the unisex t-shirt right here. Well, this one's actually a sweatshirt. So once we've made our selection for the blank canvas, we're going to click on Start Designing. So here are a couple of companies in the US for printing. So there's SwiftPod, there's Monster Digital. So you want to pick the one that's closest to you, as well as the price that makes sense to you the most. Production time for this is 1.3 days. This one is 1.5 days, as well as the print areas, the options, and whatnot. So this one has a wider variety, or I should say selection for colors. So let's do SwiftPod. We're going to click on Start Designing, like so. Okay, and now we get to actually slap on design to the t-shirt. So we can do something like we can upload an image, or we can do graphics, like select from your presets. As you can see, so if we're doing like a Valentine's themed one, then we can like add a heart or something. So we want to make your selection, click on it like so, and it's going to load the thing onto the t-shirt. Now you can do things here like resizing, recoloring, make the canvas bigger, add it here, maybe do like a little heart icon on the left chest. That's pretty cool. You can resize, recolor, you can morph it, you can invert the image, and you can simply save the photo. Now, when you guys save the photo, you can upload it to your Shopify library and have the company SwiftPod actually print the t-shirts and add it to your shop's inventory. And now we can start selling online. So that's how you guys do it. That's how you can use Printify on Shopify. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.